Everyone, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to cook asparagus with very delicious sauce. Okay, let's get started. For our ingredients, I'm gonna need white asparagus, salt to taste, white pepper, butter, milk, boiled egg, bacon, and flour. Okay, to start, I already washed this. Now I'm gonna peel the skin. It's very easy. You just have to start from here down, just like that, and continue. And then I'm gonna boil it for at least 15 minutes. Okay, while cooking our asparagus, I'm gonna bake also the bacon until it's crispy and golden brown. And then I'm going also to mash our boiled eggs. I'm just using fork for mashing this boiled egg. Okay, this is perfect. Let's add half teaspoon of salt. Okay, our asparagus is ready and bacon. Now I'm gonna make our sauce. Let's melt the butter. Followed by all-purpose flour. Just give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna pour our milk little by little. With lower heat, by the way. I'm gonna add also half teaspoon of salt and white pepper. Yes, it's beginning to thicken. And then I'm gonna add the eggs, mashed egg, mashed boiled eggs, our mashed boiled eggs. All right. Look at that. Let me taste. Just perfect. Okay, everything is ready. Our sauce, look at that. Now I'm just gonna pour. Oh, wow. There you have it, asparagus with creamy, delicious egg sauce and bacon, sprinkled with dill. Okay, let's try it. It's very, very delicious. I'm telling you, you got to try this and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care everyone.